What's up, everybody? It's Officer 27 here on YouTube, doing the second box break of Upper Deck Heroes. I did one a couple days ago. This is my second one, so if you guys haven't noticed, every time I do one of these, either mail days or box breaks, I always mention a Sport Card Freak, or actually sportscardfreaks.com. It's a pretty cool trading site, so you guys should look into it, dig it up, and go ahead and subscribe to it. But pretty cool. Do a lot of trading of cards, basketball, baseball, football, NASCAR, whatever you name it, we got it. So here's these: Tim Lincecum, Bill Hall, Jimmy Rollins, Robin Yount, and then a black card, Kelly Johnson. I think these are the charcoal cards. Pack number 2. Like I said, this is just it's a blaster box. So there are 7 packs of cards plus 7 packs plus 2 extra. These are Frank Robinson, Miguel Ordonez, Jose Reyes, and Derek Jeter. The second one of that, Cody, that's yours. Felix Hernandez and Tom Gorzelani. Here I go again, not looking at the video, so don't even know if you guys are even seeing the cards or not. This is Torrey Hunter, Pedro Martinez, Jeff Francis, 4 cards, Ken Griffey Jr. On the top, Roberto Clemente, Vladimir Guerrero, and Joe DiMaggio. And this next one is John Lackey. There's no guaranteed hits or nothing in here, but it does make reference to autographs or the quads or triples. Here's an Ozzie Smith, Roy Halladay. Here's a Rich Harden red. I don't know if they're calling it red or ruby. It's numbered to 249. If you can see that, 201 or 249. Probably too blurry, but. And another charcoal card, Kevin Kozwinoff. And then the Yankee Stadium Legacy card. This is the 5th pack out of 9. Brian McCann, Jake Peavy, Kobe Ellisberry, Howie Kendrick, and Nick Markakis. Pack number. Tough pack, I guess you'd call it. I'm trying to make these videos a little bit shorter. Wade Boggs, David Wright, Brandon Webb, one of the triple cards, Joe Mauer, Hanley Ramirez, and Troy Tulowitzki, and then Andrew Jones charcoal card. I don't think I've gotten too many doubles yet. I don't know if that Jeter Reyes one was a double or if I just heard someone talking about it. There's a Don Mattingly, Greg Maddux, Phil Hughes, Kelly Johnson, and there's a Cardinals Bob Gibson and Padres Jake Peavy. I don't think that's serial numbered at all either. No. So far, like I said, these aren't guaranteed anything, but I got a serial numbered card out of that. Alfonso Soriano, Nick Markakis, there's a double. There's a double. Bob Gibson and Jake Peavy. And a Josh Hamilton. One of them charcoal cards, and another Yankee Stadium Legacy Babe Ruth card. 1940 game number 920. Okay, last pack, guys. There's an auto in here, I could tell. Yeah, right. I wish. Alright, Vernon Wells, Jeff Francoeur, Justin Verlander. Look at that Derek Barton rookie card. So that's pretty cool. And a Justin Verlander charcoal card as well. So, alright guys, that's my blaster box. Again, nothing drastic, but I didn't expect it anyway. Basically just building a set, so anybody out there who has any Upper Deck Heroes, give me a holler. Unfortunately, none of these are for trade. I'll put on a video here, I don't know, probably next day or two of some cards that I'll have for trade. Anybody got any heroes, hit me up. Go ahead, subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos. Alright, y'all. Peace. Later.